No, I'm 100% sure. Cancel the entire lot. Thank you very much. Oh, so happy. I've just cancelled my holiday, and I'm pretty sure you will too when you see this beautiful property right here in Brassall. Stunning in-ground pools, meticulously maintained and renovated over 2 levels, over 900 square metre block, Bali huts, views. You wait till you check this tranquil resort out. Let's have a look. This upper level showcases 3 huge bedrooms, a renovated bathroom, and of course, a stunning kitchen. But wait until you see downstairs. There's like a whole nother house, which I'm picking will be perfect for maybe teenagers or elderly parents that you might want to move on in, or not. I'll leave that up to you. Well, I hope you enjoyed your sneak peek at this beautiful property. Of course, the only way to truly see all the fine details is to give me a call and book a personal inspection. Anyway, have a great day. I'll catch you later. It's Glenn. Let me in.